Hey, hello everyone, my name is Sagar Prajapati and this video I will be telling you how much money I am earning from YouTube. So on a daily basis I receive many messages, many emails, many calls and people are asking me that hey Sagar, how much money you are earning from YouTube? Because my subscribers, my users, my friends also want to start the YouTube channel. Not in the education domain, but they are also looking out for some different domains. So like they're asking me, hey Sagar, how much you are earning, so that they can also start it if I is saving good money. So to be honest, I say YouTube is not giving you that much amount, okay, and also it depends on the users and it depends on the country and it depends on the content. Like my content is a education purpose and my target audience is of from 20 to 30 age. But if you create some different channel like the fooding channel and some traveling channel, maybe the target audience is more, so you may receive more money. So to right now I will show you how much money I have earned till now, so that you will have some understanding. So I'll share my screen and I'll show you. Hey, now you can see over here that I have earned $3393 within 28 days. And if you can see here that my views are 60,000, my watch time is 2.5k and subscriber is 2.2k. Now you can see that I have earned $3393. So if I convert this $3393 into INR, it comes like 2 lakh something like. Let's see how much it is. So if I just write here USD to INR and if I write this amount 3393, then you can see that I earned 27 like 2,78,364 rupees within 28 days. And then you can see within a year I am earning 24 lakhs. This is a very huge amount. Okay, but this is not true. I'll show you how. See, in this YouTube studio there is a setting option. Okay, and now you can see the default unit is TWD, that is New Taiwan Dollar. Now to New Taiwan Dollar, it means 1 Taiwan dollar is equal to 2.8 Indian rupees. And if I convert this in with the, I can say INR, cool, then you can see that I am earning only 9,141 rupees within 28 days. And you can say within a month I am earning only like 9 to 10,000 rupees, not more than that, based on my data, based on my views. Like if I am getting 50 to 60k views, so I am earning only 9,000 rupees. That is not a very big amount, but it's a decent amount. I just started my YouTube and just last year only my channel got monetized, so it's good only, I believe. And if you're also planning to create a YouTube channel or upload contents, and you can also upload, this a very good good initiative, you can say, or it's a very good opportunity. You can have it, and I hope you have a good future ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.